Merry Christmas! What's up, Graham?
This is not Instagram, this is YouTube.
What's up, Tio?
This. I'm gonna be editing YouTube videos. Oh, we're playing bingo? The ball's gone. Where the ball going?
Not captured.
This looks like something out of Minecraft.
Its name, the walking disaster.
Walking disaster? Reminds me of you.
This is named the monstrosity of Minecraft.
I don't know. He might be cooking.
The laws of physics.
Lots of things. Damn, he's cooking.
Physics is always no, it's not.
I wonder how far you can go. Let's stop at this one.
Center of gravity change.
Come on, one. Why?
You know the center of gravity.
The nigga roast.
They call you on this.
Sunday, get up and make it. No, yeah.
She feels she's cute, but she's not. Is y'all not supposed to be eating?
We're starting shortly. Let's go. How we bingo? Horizontal. Vertical.
So you have to
Parallel. That's how you bingo. No four corner. No skip man. No Pond River. No Pond River. We're starting with I-21. I-21. Looking for 69? Yes. Okay, here we go. B-14. 25 in the island.
It's pretty good.
Hold on. Did you get the free in the middle of bingo?
Yeah.
The free is free.
Bingo!
And the stakes are high.
And so is my blood pressure.
To bingo, you must bingo on 2 cards. And we're pulling N43.
Bingo.
What?
Stakes are changing. You can only use 2 cards. And you have to bingo twice on 1. And we're starting in the O line. O74, 74. Sorry, correction. O72.
That's a bingo.
You gotta say it.
Yeah, bingo.
Hear it.
Where?
Bingo.
Where?
Alright, let's verify that.
No, I object because in Libya.
Same protocol. Don't step it up or step it down.
I'm sorry, sir, but that is not dependent on you. I am game master. And the stakes have doubled. Sabotage. Alright, here are the stakes. Now you gotta be careful. You gotta be mindful who you sit next to.
Somebody clock it.
Sabotage, let me tell you
What
how
that
it
mean?
So for me, I'm thinking that that's all. And me have a red card, I'm thinking of a red card. If she gets a bingo on a can, and me almost get a bingo.
Yeah, I like that one. Alright. Sabotage. Let's go.
Come on.
I like how you went the game master. You deserve a treat for that.
What a bingo could I
I-29. 29 in the eye line.
Bingo! Bingo!
Bingo.
Alright, 1 card. But everybody got to use the same color.
No, so let's start the color.
Alright, yeah, we'll start the color. Kayla, what are you doing? Oh, you can't do that.
Why not?
Somebody can still switch with it for no reason.
Well, better than switch me for no reason. I'm not gonna panic.
Somebody.
Switch with anybody.
Start.
No, I can't give you B4. You're cashing in your switch chip. Can you please cash it in and tell me who you'd like to switch with? Too much outline, I know. Two.
Bingo.
What?
I object. He's fraternizing with the judge. You're fraternizing with the judge. I object.
We're starting in the G line. G60. N34. B2.
It just happens to be situated right here.
Oh yeah, we can't.
Game master, come on, game master.
Switch.
Man,
She use a bar card.
Yeah.
So Ocean, where are you? Counteract?
Yeah, counteract I am a TV.
So you have no We switch.
Hey, we test the game with Karen and we just
And for the bingo, B8.
Bombard.
B8.
Next time we have to get a swing.
Just wanted to share just 1 or 2 things that you're thankful for this year as we wrap up 2023. I'm definitely grateful to have family, you know, very close knit. Always a gathering with y'all, very consistent. And I know we are busy with our own lives, but I love that every time something's happening in the Row, Panton, Hutchinson extended clan, we always pause to acknowledge, celebrate with a big or small. I just want to say I love each and every one of you, Mr. Brown, or adopted dad. Man, you do so much for our family. Like, you know where to begin, right? So I'm happy you're here celebrating with us too. So one thing I'm grateful coming out is family for sure. And I'm also celebrating just, you know, just all the life lessons that came this year in my marriage. And I'm grateful that my husband is still here with me. It's an interesting year for sure. Well, we celebrated 4 years this year. And so that's me, babe.
Me? I'm grateful for bingo.
Amen.
Which part of bingo? Sabotage?
But apart from bingo, this year I'd say most grateful for finding back my relationship with God underneath all it. Because it's so easy for us to get caught up in work or school or just life in general. Just trying to stay above ground, stay above water as well. And we can't forget that, you know, seek first the kingdom of God and all these things will be given to you as well. You know, if you just reorganize your priorities. So I've found that in the past 6 months and it's been really fulfilling. You know, I have more confidence in myself, you know, showing in my marriage as well as in my health. Just overall, life is just better. You know, now that I've just recommitted my life, you know, just to serve God, you know, in the best capacity as I can. Just give me a shovel and me. Yeah, so that's the thing that I'm most grateful for with everything. And there's other things for sure, family, friends, because at any point, any one of us can go. Like we've had neighbors who are no longer here with us. We were here last year, they're not here now. So that can be scary. Family members who are here are not here now. So let's just continue to cherish each other. So that's what I'm grateful for.
So I was speaking to Pinky yesterday. Regarding like what we normally do when we're younger on a Christmas Eve or a Christmas night, right? Normally we would look forward to going to Apple Tree, just walking up and down every year, and the whole crowd and everything. That was just it for us. These days, this is it for me, and this is it for my family, and this is what we've been looking forward to, and it's been the best one so far, and it's gonna get better and better as it goes on. You know, so I'm very grateful for this gathering. I'm always looking forward for it, and I'm having a wonderful day. There's nowhere else my mindset is at right now. It's right here. Nothing else outside of this space means nothing.
Awesome.
Alright, good night everyone. So happy to see all of you. Merry Christmas. Oh, say by the bed. Alright, so I'm grateful for this year is progress. I've seen where I've been getting better at certain things regarding attitude and just basic things. Notice progress. So I'm grateful for progress, family, and the little friends that I have. What are you grateful for?
I'm grateful for Christmas and sadness and something that I want for a present.
Man, I in the present.
And be grateful for nice things and nice joy and nice everything.
It's my turn! Wow! I am truly grateful for the gift of life. I'm truly grateful for the blessings that the Lord has bestowed upon me. My family for one, my growth as an individual. You know, this has been an awesome year. To God be the glory, great things He has done. I am grateful for these gatherings. I will put my 150 in it. You know, just being at this place. I mean, I think about my mother at this age and knowing that she wasn't around, and God has, you know, granted me the privilege to see my children reach to this far and have further growth to go. You know, for this year I am in awe of the many accomplishments that you know I've gained. I've never thought that would have been happening, but you know, with God all things are possible. Yes. So you know, you're never too old. Yeah, to give. Right. And you know, being celebrated at work, you know, for how many years of, you know, dedication and service and all of that. Yes, and you know, I mean, the reception is very well, and I'm grateful for my family, and I'm just giving God thanks for everything that He has, you know, done and continue to do. And looking forward to greater things, you know. Yes, so this year has been awesome, and I'm thankful.
I'm looking for next year.
I'll always be around her.
That's right.
Hi. I'm grateful for a lot of things this year. I'm grateful that I survived mock exams. I'm grateful that my sister enjoyed my chicken today. And I am also grateful for being this far in life, for seeing another year, and for being in this family and celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ as a family every year.
Nice. Love it, love it. Kayla, before we continue, I realize we kind of skipped you, so can we?
First and foremost, I am grateful for food.
We know.
I'm skinny, but we need food. And this year, a lot of people have fed me. A lot.
Here we go.
Yeah, a lot of people. People I didn't know would feed me my entire life. I met different aunties. I never know that all my aunties them can cook, but it turns out all my aunties from daddy's side to mommy's side, they're nice. Second, self-development. I've left my house more time this year than I had any other year. And I did a new sport this year. I tried something new. Now I'm going there with confidence because it's most skinnier people that have me. I'm most fatter people that have me. So when if them can do it, we can do it too.
Awesome.
So I gained confidence and I did some self-reflection and I actually started praying in the mornings and I started journaling.
Praise God.
Awesome.
Yeah, I do lots of things at home now. So usually when I just sit down and I watch K-drama. No, I sit down and I journal first thing in the morning. Then I take out my Bible, do Bible study, make little notes on my little tablets. And then I do K-drama. So yeah, I'm grateful that once again I'm here with my family because every year I like to be with my family. And I'm grateful that all y'all are here. And I'm grateful for those abroad. Yeah, grateful for those abroad, otherwise called my mom. And my auntie.
Aunties.
Yeah, aunties. Grateful for all of them. So speech done now.
I'm grateful for many things this year. For one, developing a new skill.
Which is?
Drawing. Because I could not draw before this year and actually put myself to it and somehow it happened. Someone can look at my drawings and
practice.
And I'm grateful that I put myself out there more. That I join a club, I'm actually go places now. I interact with new people. And yeah, I talk more to more people because I would consider myself introverted before this year, but now I'm more extroverted than ever.
Okay.
I will say grateful for Uno, all the things you gave me, all the things I hopefully gave you too.
Like what?
I don't know.
Whatever make you.
Yeah, give him more time.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah.
Gave me a vision.
Chasing the king.
Yeah, that's it all. That's it.
I'm grateful for family,
I'm sorry.
life, and friends and everything.
I
Okay.
am grateful for the life God has given me and my family and everything that God will give me on in the future.
I am grateful that I'm still here with you guys, even though.
I'm gonna like you. That's right.
Yes, and I'm grateful that I started a new career path. I think it's the one for me.
Okay.
Yes, yes. Did I say I'm grateful for all of you?
Yes. Two more games. Let's go into the gift session. On Miss Mom.
Take it away. The ever. Merry Christmas! Santa Suzette has come to town.
And on that note, I will present this gift to. Should I give it to Cherry?
No.
Should I give it to Cherry?
No.
Cherry, you like this? Alright. Cherry, Merry Christmas!
Thank you, Mommy. We're doing two. But Sue come this time. Sue come.
You like this? You like this? This one is yours. Merry Christmas. I still have two. And I'm right here between you two.
I mean, one already have one. Merry Christmas.
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a little
By the toe. If you want to let you go. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Yeah, I think you need some optical solution and
I wanted to get this mine.
and
To the cameraman. There, cameraman.
Merry Christmas, Merry
This is mine.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas. When you drink this, it let it marinates and
Now everything
When you drink this wine, you will become the Bill Gates.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Twins, twins, twins.
Yay.
And this goes along with that. But we didn't want it for
More gifts incoming. Santa Claus, Pinky on the road.
Is that a hot dog?
Oh, she's got a journal. Money in the journal or it's looking back.
Oh my goodness.
Jessica, she has
Merry
done
Christmas to Jessica.
well this year.
Yeah.
And I would also like to say Merry Christmas to Shaday.
Sajay, you have done well this year.
Christmas to Joshua, like another son that I never can say that. And I'd like to say Merry Christmas to Kayla, especially rap this week.
Oh my god, the aesthetic. I kind of know what I need.
It's for him. And Merry Christmas to Suan.
Swear.
Hope you enjoy.
I copy that.
One biggest one up to the mother. Merry Christmas, beautiful us.
And I'm going to see guys saying now.
Merry Christmas to Sajay again.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
And on a different note, she's the only Christmas baby here. Happy birthday.
Woo!
Merry Christmas to the love of my life. He said he wanted nothing. Last but not least, our turn.
I mean, y'all don't need nothing. I don't physically put nothing in a hand, but my family don't know nothing, so.
You need to physically put something in our hand.
The reason I'm here, 6 months baby, 6 times.
Thank you.
I'm not being here.
Thank you.
For the love of my life. To my very helpful cousin who only needs chicken for all the help she gives.
Woo! Thank you. I mean, you can pay me in a chocolate too.
For the love of my life. Merry Christmas.
No,
My sister.
Light up.
Merry Christmas.
I want one.
Joshua.
Joshua.
One.
No!
Jessica.
Merry Christmas.
How's it? Whoa. Sajay. What's your face? What's your face?
My life.
Alive.
Merry Christmas.
What?
Merry
Thank you.
Mr. Brown.
Mr. Brown.
My sister, happy birthday. To the love of my life, Merry Christmas.
Bingo with the exclamation mark.
Open up faster. Open up faster. She can open up your one now.
Kayla, just go right
She have earphones. It's just the box. You gotta watch. It was mockery, trickery. Oh my god. He got a new water bottle.
I got a map of the world.
It's a work. It's a.
Joshua got a cup. Sajay got a plate. A Wakanda tumbler.
Feel what it was.
Oh, that's so cute. There was riches in the piggy bank.
It's shaped like shoes.
It looks like shoes. And so one finally got buds, earbuds. And get a piggy bank. Oh my gosh, she got an S necklace.
That is
A water bottle. Wow. I guess I can drink up.
It's a lot of bottles.
It's an handbag. Oh my god, this is so cute. And Jessica get one to Swan with your one black and white. Oh my goodness.
Wrong button. My present, the first one. It's a gift purse.
Woo! Guess what is in there?
Nothing.
Money.
I'm gonna get the next Bible verse.
$1 million.
I'm gonna get some cash.
Twice as much as cheese.
I'm gonna get some
She's a big
earpins.
sister,
You
man.
can't say, me never give a feed.
I think you wanna look cute, like a sweetie.
Oh,
Is that a dolly?
I hope it is. Y'all know what it is. I'm in my fitness era.
On the night shift.
Oh, she gets a pillow.
I'll work with this tonight.
What is it?
I don't know. He said, God bless you. God bless. Where's the you? Oh, the point is.
Keep the content and then we're going to repurpose it.
Just what I asked for. Black ink pen. And then black nail polish. Clear nail polish. So they got the cup that she's too poor to afford. Oh, what is this? What is this?
You heard my wish list, did ya?
So, I've been thorough in the WhatsApp messages.
Yes, Pinky gave everybody what you want. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Oh my god, it matches my outfit!
Oh my goodness. Chinese got ice trays. If you didn't know, Chinese loves the ice.
Starting my new year with a new plate set, placemats for my team.
Oh, no. Thank you.
Chinese got cups.
The brown.
It's the brown. And get corksicle.
Yes.
And get Jamaica rum cake. Peanuts. And get extra energy drink for live an extra life. Water stand.
strong. Okay.
It is-
Ready to picture the
We gonna toast tonight. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes.
Merry Christmas.
Now we'll be on our way.
Feliz Navidad.